How to activate Neiman Marcus credit card online. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate your Neiman Marcus credit card online. To do so, first of all, you will need to go to the official Neiman Marcus website and log into your account. For that, you need to open any web browser on your device, and at the search bar, you need to type neimanmarcus.capitalloan.com. Once you have entered this keyword, now press the enter button to search it. Within a while, you will be presented with this interface. This is the official website of Neiman Marcus credit card. Here in this page, you will see two options. If you have not yet registered to your account, you need to click on this set up my account first and then create account on it. But if you already have registered your account, you can click on this sign in button right here. And once you do so, you will be redirected to a new page. In this page, you will be presented with the login interface. Here in this first box, you need to enter your user ID. And in the second box, enter your password. Make sure you enter the correct password here to access your account. If in case you forgot your password or user ID and couldn't log into your account, you may click on this forgot username or password at the bottom, and then from there you can follow the prompts given to you to recover them. And also, if you want yourself to be remembered for future logins, you can click on this little square ahead of this remember me option. Now once doing that, you can click on the sign in button right here, and then you will be able to log into your Neiman Marcus credit card. Now once you are logged into your account, you need to find the option to activate your credit card. You can find this option under the account services or card services section. Once doing that, you will be prompted to enter your card details like your credit card number, the expiration date, and the 3-digit security code which you can find at the backside of your card. After entering all the details, follow any other prompts to complete the activation process. You may also need to verify your account or confirm some personal information. After that, you can submit the form and then you will be able to activate your Neiman Marcus credit card. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.